Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this simple and beginner friendly tutorial, we will learn how to put two dots over a letter in Microsoft Word. This is a commonly used in foreign languages, phonetics, linguistics, writing and academic documents, where letters like A, E, I, O, U are required. In this video, we will discover multiple easy methods to add two dots over a letter quickly and professionally without copying from the internet. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Word. Now we can see here our assignment document have the many page. Now we go to the first page and select the text, then go to the insert menu and click the symbol option, choose more symbol. Now you can see here the symbol is font normal and subset is Latin one supplement. Now you can see here many option. Now I find and select the symbol or icon. Now we can see here the E, click insert, you can find another like this, like I, then click insert, another you can find like the Y, you can insert, then close this window. Then I increase the font size, go back the home menu and increase the font size. Otherwise you can disable the bold. You can make a space to make sure the letter is put two dot leader top on the letter. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.